Hey there. Today, I'm diving into the world of product videos and why they're total game changers for e-commerce. Whether you're a pro online shopper or just browsing for fun, product videos can make all the difference. So let's get started. Imagine you're scrolling through an online store and a sleek, stylish gadget catches your eye. But wait, there's a video. You click play and suddenly you're hooked. We've all been there, reading endless product descriptions and still feeling unsure about what we're buying.